You know, there was a time when I could stand all the way across the room, look at that eye chart, and read all the way down to the copyright in the fine print at the bottom. Well, those days are long gone, which is why I'm excited to show you what's in this box and how it might help you see little things much more clearly straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here with Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. It's great to have you with us. And whether you're getting a little bit older and your eyes are starting to cooperate less frequently, like me, or maybe you have some young ones around the family who just love to look up close and in great detail at things in nature, the product we are about to unbox and review with you all today could help with all of the above. Now, the box says large magnifier, which is true, but I have a feeling there's a lot more to this than meets the eye. Sorry for all the bad puns. First of all, we're going to pull out the basic product, which is a gigantic large magnifying glass, and we kind of knew that coming in, thus the title Large Magnifier. We've got a cleaning cloth, and everything else is fairly simple. However, you'll notice that off to the side here, I have a trio of AAA batteries. Why is that? Well, because this magnifying glass, as I said, has a few more features than meets the eye, including the ability to shed some light on the subject, whatever that subject may be. We'll give you an example of that here in just a couple of seconds. So we have our large magnifier. We have the 3 AAA batteries inserted inside of it. Let's take an up-close look at some objects that need magnification. First of all, a golf ball with a signature on it. Maybe you want to check it for authenticity or for damage or whatever the case may be. This does a really good job of making this golf ball even bigger. And if I turn on the light, now if this happened to be a darker setting, now I have studio lighting in here so it's pretty good, but a darker setting, the light really adds a whole lot of detail to the object that you're trying to explore. Let's move the golf ball out of the way and let's dig out the bin of screws and nuts and bolts that you have in your tool area. Everybody's trying to figure out and find the right one for the wall hanging or whatever it happens to be. With the light on, with the magnifier on, it really makes a tremendous difference and brings everything into much more crystal clear focus. By the way, on this switch, there's a stopping point just a little bit up because there's a UV light that actually adds magnification to this smaller magnifying glass here at the base. It's hard for me to show you through the camera how this can enhance things, but that's what the first stopping point is on the light switch, and then the second one really brings it up and illuminates everything. So there's your large magnifier, friends, for ages 8+, really good for viewing things out in nature or for magnifying the words on the page or things that you're trying to see more clearly. Highly recommend it. Thank you for being with us on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and let us know if there's something we can review for you. We'll see you next time.